What's up, peeps? So we got a lot of cleaning up to do today. Fuck. Alright, so I already got the little steering coupler, that thing back on. We still gotta tighten the rack down, and then all of this junk needs to go back on. For like 4 videos I've been trying to put the shifter linkage on. We might actually do that today if someone else comes through. I hit up a bunch of the boys, see if anyone comes through, because before we put the shifter linkage on, to get the shifter linkage on, we basically have to have the transmission like almost all the way up in the like bolted down to the chassis. But before we get there, I want to bleed the clutch, because we took the slave off. I need to rebleed the clutch, but I also wanted to rebleed all of the brakes just to get new brake fluid in the whole thing, because this thing has been sitting for 2 years. So if someone comes through, then we're going to bleed the whole system, brakes included, and then hopefully the shifter linkage will go on. But if no one comes through, then we're not going to get to that today. Oh. Yeah. That goes through there. Alright, we got a front end now. I love winter because I get to wear jackets and because it's not hot as shit. But at like 5:04, it's freaking blackout. It's insane. So it kind of makes building after work a little bit harder, I guess. But we got a front end. So what else got ripped apart in my anger? The front end's back on. The steering is back on. We did a bunch of shit over here. That's right, all this needs to go back together. That bracket goes on like that. These got zip tied off. Boom. And boom. Alright. So I guess we could go for the AC compressor. I guess that'd be a good next move. I want to wait till we get the rest of the drivetrain, like the clutch bled, the shifter linkage, and the drive shaft, all that stuff. I want to wait till we get that stuff in to start doing some of the more serious engine install. But we can do some minor things. Alright, let's get these wheels off. Oh yeah, I found my 17. Fuck yeah. I've been finding shit this week. Proper. There's no room. These brakes are rusty, baby. They haven't stopped anything in like 2 years. Oh yeah. Alright, so none of the homies wanted to come through tonight, so I guess we're not doing any of the bleeding stuff today. But at least we got my mess cleaned up, so that's a plus. We're almost back to where we should have been like 4 videos ago. Alright, I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh, and I'll see you guys later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Curious.
go on in the next video. I will fucking make it a point to put this shit for linkage on, because I've been trying to put this shit on for 5 fucking videos. I've been trying to put this fucking shifter linkage on this fucking car with a fucking